Have you ever wanted to take an RV and travel across the United States? Or do you dream of cruises at sea? Or maybe would prefer to take a train to your destination? Well, my name is Shane, and if you've been watching this channel, you have noticed that I haven't been posting as much, and thank you so much for watching my channel and subscribing. But I have decided to make a business out of my travel channels, and I have also enrolled in a YouTube class that is making my channel look a lot more professional. My new channel is called MapBound. I would love for you to check it out. It's free. It's going to have a lot of the same context that this channel has. Just I'm going to be doing it in a more professional manner so that when you do your travels, you can learn from my mistakes, increasing the chances of having a wonderful vacation for you. I started MapBound with a lot of my cruise journeys. Right now, being that it's summer, I also have an RV that I used to rent out, and I'm going to start doing videos about RV life because I do plan on taking the RV on the road in 2026. So in 2025, I'm setting up everything I'm going to need in order to go on RV life without having to worry about how I'm going to make money to do so. On this channel, I'm going to show you like routine maintenance for RVs, tips and tricks, what I'm going to do to start making money, what I'm already doing to make money, all the things that I've failed on that can help other RVers out, especially new RVers. I've been hauling travel trailers for almost 8 years now. I've had a lot of experience, a lot of problems have happened that you could definitely learn from, especially if you want to go full-time RV living. I still have a lot to learn, but I would love to hear your feedback in the comments of my new channel. Let me know, am I doing something wrong? Do you prefer me to wait here or did that? Again, my name is Shane with MapBound. I'm going to put the link to the new channel in the descriptions, as well as I'm going to pin a comment below. Do me a favor, leave down in the comments if you went ahead and subscribed to my new channel. I really appreciate it. My name is Shane with MapBound, and subscribe for the ride. It's going to be a show.